Exploring the amazing layers of Earth's atmosphere. Hey there, young explorers! Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the sky? Today, we're going to learn all about the layers of Earth's atmosphere. That's right. The atmosphere is like a big, cozy blanket that surrounds our home planet. Let's dive in and discover what makes it so special. What is the atmosphere? First, let's talk about what the atmosphere actually is. Imagine Earth is a giant ball, and the atmosphere is the invisible layer of air that hugs it tightly. This magical blanket is super important because it gives us the air we breathe and protects us from the sun's harmful rays. But did you know that the atmosphere isn't just one big layer? It's made up of several different layers, each with its own cool features and functions. Let's meet them one by one. The layers of the atmosphere. 1. Troposphere. This is the layer closest to the surface of our planet. It's where we live, play, and breathe. The troposphere is full of the air we need and where all the weather happens. If you've ever seen clouds, rain, or snow, it was all happening in this layer. The troposphere goes up to about 8 to 15 kilometers, 5 to 9 miles, above the ground, and it gets cooler as you go higher. 2. Stratosphere. Next up is the stratosphere. This layer lies just above the troposphere and extends up to about 50 kilometers, 31 miles high. The stratosphere is home to the ozone layer, which is like a superhero cape that protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet UV rays. In this layer, the temperature actually gets warmer as you go higher. Isn't that neat? 3. Mesosphere. Now we move on to the mesosphere. This layer stretches from about 50 to 85 kilometers, 31 to 53 miles, above Earth. The mesosphere is where things get chilly once again. It's the coldest layer of the atmosphere, with temperatures dropping as low as minus 90 degrees Celsius, minus 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The mesosphere is also home to meteors. When they enter our atmosphere, they burn up in this layer, creating those beautiful shooting stars we love to see. 4. Thermosphere. After the mesosphere comes the thermosphere. This layer extends from about 85 kilometers, 53 miles, to around 600 kilometers, 372 miles, above the Earth. The thermosphere is known for its super high temperatures, which can reach up to 2,500 degrees Celsius, 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't worry, it's so thin up there that you wouldn't feel the heat. The thermosphere is also where the magical northern and southern lights, known as auroras, dance in the sky. 5. Exosphere. Finally, we have the exosphere, the outermost layer of our atmosphere. It starts at about 600 kilometers, 372 miles, and stretches out into space. The air here is incredibly thin, and you might even find some satellites zooming around in this layer. The exosphere is where Earth's atmosphere transitions into outer space, and it's where some astronauts and spacecraft venture out into the great beyond. Recap time. How many layers are there? So to recap, how many layers does our atmosphere have? There are 5 main layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Each layer has its own magic and mystery, giving us the air we breathe, protecting us from harmful rays, cooling us down, creating shooting stars, and allowing us to explore space. Let's have some fun with a quiz. Now that you're an atmosphere expert, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. 1. Which layer of the atmosphere is closest to the Earth? Stratosphere, troposphere, or exosphere 2? What protects us from the sun's harmful rays? Troposphere, ozone layer in the stratosphere, or exosphere 3? Where do meteors burn up and create shooting stars? Mesosphere, thermosphere, or stratosphere 4? What layer is known for its high temperatures, reaching up to 2,500 degrees Celsius? Troposphere, thermosphere, or exosphere 5? Which layer is the outermost? Thermosphere, exosphere, or mesosphere? Did you get these answers? Number 1, troposphere. Number 2, ozone layer in the stratosphere. Number 3, mesosphere. Number 4, thermosphere. Number 5, exosphere. How did you do? Did you enjoy our journey through the layers of Earth's atmosphere? Remember, every time you look up at the sky, you're seeing a little bit of the wonder that surrounds our planet. Until next time, keep exploring curious minds and keep looking up at the stars.